Welcome to Gamified EduTech, where learning meets fun. Today, we're excited to showcase one of our popular resources, Long Division with Decimals Activity, Pixel Art Math Mammals. With 5 worksheets, each featuring 20 engaging problems and pixel art reveals of an elephant, lion, tiger, bear, or wolf, this digital tool makes mastering long division with decimals exciting for students. Let's dive into what it offers. Available in our Gamified EduTech store, this resource is a digital activity built in Google Sheets. It focuses on long division with decimals, tackling problems that challenge students' division skills. Students solve each problem and enter their answers to reveal a mystery pixel art image. Think a majestic elephant or a fierce tiger. The pack includes 5 worksheets, each with 20 self-grading problems, totaling 100 questions to build fluency in this essential math skill. What sets this resource apart? First, it's self-checking. Correct answers unlock parts of the pixel art, while incorrect answers prompt students to try again. No grading needed. Second, it's highly engaging. Watching mammals like a lion or a wolf come together keeps students motivated as they work through each division problem. Third, it's no prep. Simply share the Google Sheets link, and it's ready to use in classrooms, homeschooling, or remote learning. This is education with a gamified edge from Gamified EduTech. Here's how it works. Assign 1 worksheet, 2, or all 5, each with 20 problems and a unique mammal design from elephant to wolf. To customize, make your master copy, create a secondary copy of the worksheets, and delete any you'd assign next time. Students open it in Google Sheets, solve the long division problems, and enter their answers. If correct, the picture begins to form. Designed for 5th to 6th grade learners, it's also great for younger students needing a challenge or older ones seeking review. Use it for homework, math centers, or a fun practice session. This resource also includes an answer key for easy reference, though its self-checking design simplifies the process. At Gamified EduTech, we're committed to creating tools that make learning fun. Want to bring this to your students? Visit our Gamified EduTech store. Find the link in the description below. Discover this and more to gamify your educational journey. Thank you for watching. If you liked this preview, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more from Gamified EduTech. Elevate learning with our resources. See you next time.